The second slide, problem statement, aim and objective.
Yes, I remember this one.
Then the next one is your methodology and strategy. Left side, methodology, right side, the strategy. Then data analysis techniques. If you are using any maths, tables, tabular, weighted average methods, regression analysis, correlation analysis. I don't know, based on your guide, supervisor, based on your supervisor. Then literature review, how many paper title, author, summary, impact of the research.
Okay.
I asked for 30 articles. I don't know about your supervisor. My students, they need to provide 30 articles. 30.
Okay.
But I don't know about your supervisor.
Okay.
And findings, like some problems will be there and what are the solutions. If you are doing secondary research, all your research is based on secondary information.
If I do
primary is different. Secondary is all about, this is all about secondary research, literature review. And here you are downloading some 30 or 35 articles, journal articles, reading it, then you are gaining some knowledge. That knowledge is your findings, agree?
Okay.
Yes, so that is solution to the challenges. Then recommendation, you are making recommendation and further work. The further work in the sense, the scope for future study. You are not the master here, you are not getting any PhD, you are just getting a master's degree dissertation. You are not the final authority. You are only doing 3 months research. 3 months research is not enough. So once you finish this, you will get an insight, something is remaining. Agree or not? Some more work is remaining. So that's you are writing here, future scope, future work. Then impact, what change you made into the industry. I always say to my students, why you are doing this dissertation? Most of the students are doing this dissertation for your mark list, agree or not? You just need to finish, then only you will get your degree certificate. But no, that's not the case. You are postgraduate students, you need to make some impact in the industry. You need to help someone, or you need to make some changes. Agree or not? What impact
you need to find some solutions.
Some solutions. What changes? You are a postgraduate student. You should improve someone's life. For example, if you are doing leadership, you need to find a new method. If you are doing HR, how to help people. If you are doing project management, what improvement you are doing. If you are doing on marketing, what new strategy you can propose, or what new marketing idea you can propose. Some change is required in industry or in your organization. Imagine you are doing a project in your own organization. How many of you are doing live project? Have you heard about live project? Live project?
It's the one that you present.
Live project? No. That is different. Live project in the sense you are doing a dissertation or a project work inside an organization at the moment. Anyone is doing a live project?
I'm gonna write about my organization.
You are writing about your organization. That is good. But
That's not-
are you making any real thing there now, today or yesterday or tomorrow? Are you doing something there? Any experiments or changes related with this title?
Maybe.
No.
If you are doing something there, for example, you are going to your organization and asking some questions, primary research, and they are giving some feedback, then you are working on it, then your project is live project. Your project is live project. Ideally, I recommend live projects. Not fancy projects. Sometimes you are framing a project, agree or not?
Okay.
So we are very good in framing. Now ChatGPT is there,
Yeah.
Gemini is there, Copilot is there, we can do anything. But technically speaking, it's based on your supervisor. I don't know, because I can't blame anyone.
Okay.
So I always say to my students, do something live.
Yeah.
Live in your organization or somewhere, some other organization.
Yeah.
What changes you can do. Even in Anglia Ruskin University, you can do a project like student satisfaction. You can do a project. What's the problem? There's plenty of samples are available. Go to lunch time, go to coffee time, ask, are you happy here? What are the changes you need to do? service issues, problems, solutions, and it's good for the university also. Free of cost, they are getting some
Yeah.
feedback.
I
So-
think it's gonna be live mine maybe.
Yeah,
Because
so
all
think
this
about that.
survey
Yes,
and
so that's why I'm saying
and-
impact is most important. Don't submit literature, wordy stuff. Who need that?
Mm.
Because we got plenty of literature already. What change you are making? A small change, a minute improvement in life,
Mm.
in society, in industry, in personal life. That is impact. You can write there. That's all. Done. Finished. Then your references. 11 slides.
And the second or third
So
slide.
don't confuse. This is not about my module. PAP. PAP. Okay.
Thomas, you're talking about something in the third slide about if we use graphics or
Yes, that's I will show you.
something like that.
Data analytics techniques.
Okay.
Yeah. So you are getting some information. Can I say something if you don't mind? All of the students, please remember one thing. Most of the students are not doing primary research. I know that. Most of you, 90% of you are not doing primary research. The reason, there are two reasons. The main reason is you are lazy. Second reason, you are blaming time frame. 3 months is not sufficient for primary research. I may agree, arguably I may agree, but that's not the reason. You can do primary research within 3 months. So many students, they are doing primary research under my supervision. They did well. So time is not a problem. Now, the second issue is, if you are doing secondary research, some limitations are there. Limitation in the sense, it's just qualitative data, agree or not? If you are doing secondary research, just qualitative information, some opinion, some discussions. But if you are smart enough, then you can get some quantitative data from secondary information. Are you aware about that? What is secondary information? Some journals. Download 100 journals, search for some numbers there, search for some numbers.
100?
100, and search for some numbers. If you are getting some numbers, then that is very useful. That is quantitative evidence. Now you don't need to do primary research. Are you following? Because somebody already did primary research, they got numbers, you are taking that numbers as secondary information. So you should be smart enough. The first and foremost thing is you need to do primary research. The best report is with primary research. If you can't do that, go for secondary research and get numbers, mathematical data, quantitative data. That's the second option. The third option is no numbers, no primary research, submit your work based on qualitative research. But that's not good based on my observation.
Okay, again, my question is about this. We need to show here
Your numbers, you need to show your numbers and how you analyzed it, whether you take average, whether you take mean, mode, regression, correlation. Have you heard about correlation analysis?
Yeah, but my question is, for this presentation, we need to finish the
Right, you
dissertation.
need to finish your dissertation, then only you can give your viva.
Because
You
this
need
is
to
this is before.
Finish.
And then you can,
See,
can
you
give
need to
the
finish
viva.
your work fully,
Okay.
then you are giving viva.
Ah,
Once you finish entire work, when I'm saying work, that doesn't mean your dissertation.
no, but you
You're
have
finishing your
understanding.
entire work, whether you typed it or not, that's not a
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
You're finishing your entire work, then you are giving your viva.
Ah, okay.
I'm booked for the 7th of January.
Okay, so
No, because my supervisory booked for me the date, and he told me the 15 now.
No, we had confusion with this
And I thought
situation.
It was just a presentation, like, now I understand. No, I'm gonna do the 15. Bye.
see.
I'm not
Okay, let me know if
I will answer.
Thomas.
I will answer. Okay, one by one I will answer. Okay, ask.
Thomas,
Yeah.
first we need to finish the dissertation. That's it. After that, we can do the presentation.
What is dissertation? Tell me, what is dissertation?
My analysis.
You are saying
my
about the typing the work
exactly.
or not?
Yeah.
It's not mandatory. It's not. Typing you can do concurrently, and you will get one more week after this Viva. Viva I am doing on January 9th. January 9th you are speaking about this thing. Then you will get one more week to finalize. No, not for typing. Finalize your typing. You need to finish your typing before this. The draft one I am saying. The draft. What is draft? I think you are fully confused now. Draft in the sense, you typed everything, you finish your work by January 9th. Then you are giving this presentation. Then you will get one more week to improve your typing, that's all. Yeah.
Because the 16 is the deadline, so you have time to fix it.
If you want, I can simplify. What's your real question? You tell me.
Yeah, because in class we have confusion with this.
Yes, tell me.
The last date to submit this the dissertation is 19th January.
19th January, you are submitting your written dissertation.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this presentation is
1 week before.
1 week before.
Yeah.
But in this presentation, we need to have
Full information about your work.
full information.
Yes.
Maybe with mistakes.
Maybe you.
With some mistakes.
Mistakes are in the
should check
form
them
of
with your,
mistakes are in the form of maybe some typing issues but no mistakes are allowed there because this is marked. This is marked. You are getting marks for presentation.
Another thing is my supervisor gave me one link
Yeah.
to submit information because he can see my information,
What information?
my draft or my writing.
That's you should discuss with your supervisor. Like you can send this report before to him.
All supervisors have different methods to work, or how is this? Because I don't understand.
There is only one method.
Different ways of dealing, working with your students.
My supervisor sent me one link.
See, the link is for submitting your what? That's my
Yes.
question. What you are submitting through that link?
Not the uni.
Yeah.
No, it's another link. It's for. Give me one
No,
moment.
you can send an email to your supervisor. Why?
It's for my email.
My supervisor
shit,
told me, don't worry, it's just 6 minutes of presentation. You need to prepare 4 slides. I said, I don't believe so. Sorry if
I see. I can't comment about others.
Crazy. That's a Viva voice. I said maybe it's just something to to have a try, to speak, to make you confident. But then, luckily I asked you, thank you so much because I know I was in trouble. He booked the date for me as well. I said okay. Now I'm gonna fix everything now. No, thank you so much, Thomas.
No problem. I will show you one thing. Then it will be
I
easy.
have another attack.
I feel a little bit lost with this.
Yeah, me totally because I don't know what to do. It's okay. I'm gonna follow the flow. It's fine. What we can do. Life is full of.
Have you seen this? Look at here. This is the PIP module VLE page. You are submitting on 16th January, final dissertation, and your Viva starts from Monday 15th to Friday 10th January. Friday 10th January means just 1 week before. Are you following? So I am giving more time to my students. If I am conducting on 15th December, my student is getting less time. Are you following? So that's my logic. I'm keeping it to last moment. Last moment in sense, just 1 week before final submission. So you have finished everything.
Yeah, but maybe right now I'm in introduction, methodology,
So
I'm not still
if your
defining
supervisor is
what
saying
no.
December 15th, then you need to finish everything before December 15th.
Well, you said 9th of January.
That's my case I'm saying. That's my case.
Okay.
Her supervisor is saying she need to do by December 15th.
Yeah, that's what it says here.
Yeah, so.
How is
But
possible?
no.
I'm gonna
Please read that carefully. A time frame is there, December 15th to January 10th.
Yes,
Please read that.
15th December to Friday, 10th January.
Yes. So I can take any date in
In
between.
between, okay.
I can. I do have the liberty. So
Okay.
I selected the last date. Why? I am giving maximum time to my students.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
So
You
I
can
need to
discuss with
prepare-
your supervisor. You can ask for extension.
Yeah, of course, because
So,
I need to prepare
Or
everything.
otherwise, you should give on December 15th.
Yeah, but it didn't give me feedback neither for introduction, nothing. It's not helping me with the writing, so
I got it confused. I
I'm
thought we
doing
all have to do
everything.
it on the 9th of January.
I'm
Sorry?
doing
I got it
everything.
confused.
Uh-huh.
I thought everybody has to do by the 9th of January.
Mhm.
I didn't know that's for your own students.
I'm doing everything by myself because every time I'm trying to ask him, he's talking in general. He's not giving me suggestions. So
Yeah.
I need more time because I'm doing everything by myself. And it's primary research and it's secondary research.
It's very difficult to finish by December.
So this is why I was thinking it was just a try to make me confident. But if it's tomorrow, I'm gonna have the call. I'm gonna tell him that I'm not prepared because for the finding more than because I need to read the data, and also my CEO he didn't answer me for the email they sent to him with the question for the interview. So I'm totally lost. I just start to write introduction, methodology, the small field literature review, findings. I don't have any idea.
The examples are here. Have you seen that? Week 7?
Yeah.
Week 7,
Yeah,
2
yeah.
reports are there. Please go to read. Week 7, 2 example reports available. Please download and read.
No, I'm doing everything, but I'm reading everything, so I'm trying to understand how to.
I'm very worried now.
Now I need to I need to ask help for another person to help me to review my writing because he's not reviewing it. So I need time also
Look
to
at here,
get the
week
person
6,
to review
week
the
6, week 6 you can find presentation template.
Yeah.
writing. Okay, thank
Please
you.
download this and do your PPT presentation, week 6.
She sent me one email. Thank you for attaching the document. This all need to be uploaded to your SharePoint link. And she sent me one link there. And that's it. I need to put my documents there or what?
Communicate.
No, Jesus Christ. She is busy always.
What is it?
No, she sent me one link. Do you use this link? This link is one. It's a email. It's
But what do you want to do?
Ecanglia. Yeah, she sent me this link, and I need to submit my documents there.
Yeah,
And you did it?
yeah. I received already the approval from ethics.
Me too.
But what document you need to submit here?
The fair, how do you call it? Fair.
RIAF.
This one.
One more.
And then the gatekeeper, the participant.
For each
consent.
participant, we need to submit here.
Yeah.
The question for the interviews here.
No, it's for you. Then you need to attach in appendix or whatever you like.
And my draft, can I need to submit here?
No, it's just ethics ref participant because ethics need to send you the approval for your research. If no, you cannot start. Oh,
This is only for that, for the RIAF, for the PIP,
Yeah.
only for that.
Yeah.
Because nobody told me nothing about it.
Yeah, I told you last time that we were doing the documents together.
No, I never showed you this link.
Yeah,
before.
we saw before together. I told you to submit or send the email to ethics. Because I had a trouble with my supervisor. They didn't know about ethics, and then he left me by myself, and then I had to go around and ask two people.
Can I
So
go for a small break?
Yes, Thomas. Last thing. If I wanted to share my draft with my supervisor, how can I do it?
Just communicate.
Yeah, just
Send an email. Send an email to
By email,
Yeah.
normal email.
Yes, I sent the email.
Guys, believe me, it's difficult to contact with my supervisor because you know who is her, no? Kelly Strong
all are busy.
she's busy 99%.
What
Also,
about
my
me?
supervisor is busy, but she
No, she's busy.
When is the presentation?
Busy,
Is it
busy.
Thursday or Friday?
Sorry?
The presentation.